here is the finished product. As you can see, the leather looks almost brand new. So how's it going, everyone? Today's video is about fixing a worn leather steering wheel in your car. So I will be showing you a very cheap and easy way of making a steering wheel like this look brand new again. As you can see, mine is very worn. The leather is actually in fairly okay condition. It's not torn or anything. It's just kind of this glossy finish is kind of gone from years of people driving, obviously. And I know a lot of people have this issue. So if you want to tag along, you are more than welcome to do so. And yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you need is this product right here, or anything similar. I ended up getting this on Temu for I think €4, including shipping. So it is leather repair color black, and it is absolutely brilliant. It's like kind of a leather dye or paint, if you want to call it, but it's not sticky and it doesn't leave residue, or it doesn't kind of wear off on your hands after a while. So I think it's brilliant. And as I said, it's very much available on Temu or Wish or whatever else you want to use. But I sell steering wheels and stuff. I kind of have a business selling steering wheels and leather interiors for Mark IVs and stuff, and I swear by this product. It is brilliant. It makes them look brand new again. So yeah. Then obviously the next thing you need is a little bit of a sponge or something. Obviously this one has seen better days, but it'll do for now. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first step in doing so is to give the wheel a little bit of a clean, a little bit of a wipe, get all the debris and little bits off of it. Again, it's not needed, but you know, it's good to give it a bit of a wipe. So okay, your next step is to get a bit of the leather paint on your sponge, and let's dig in. And voila, here is the finished product. As you can see, the leather looks almost brand new. It looks really good, and it's about 30 degrees today, and you can tell my hand is clean. Nothing is coming off. There's no more marks. The leather looks nice and glossy and shiny. So yeah, I really cannot recommend this product enough. It's so good, and I'm not being paid to say this. This is just genuinely a really good product, especially for under €5. And here the results really just speak for themselves. Like, the steering wheel wasn't terrible in the first place, but now it just looks brand new. I am absolutely delighted with it.